Hello, my name is Nikea Hernandez. I'm a physical therapist assistant with HealthQuest Physicians Group, and this is a Minute to Better Health. As a goal, we should aim for about 30 minutes of moderate physical activity every day. If you want to lose weight, keep off lost weight, or meet specific goals, you may need to exercise more. As a reminder, the word moderate is very specific to you. Also, just cutting down on sitting time will help. With the colder winter months ahead of us, it can be harder to get in physical activity. Joining a gym or fitness center is a great way to stay active without having to spend longer periods of time outside. If you're unable to join a fitness center, there are plenty of ways to stay active at your home. You can walk throughout your home to increase your step count. You can stand up and sit down to a chair multiple times, or go up and down your flight of steps. If pain is limiting your ability to complete physical activity, please contact your healthcare provider and ask about physical therapy. Thank you and have a great day.